How to connect your Twitter account with your Vimeo on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Vimeo. This is the homepage as you can see right here. Now go to the top here, click on settings, and after you click on settings, now on this page you will find many options as you can see. All what you have to do now is go here to connected apps. And now all what you have to do is you will find the Twitter app, click connect, and it will take you directly to Twitter. Click authorize app, and now as you can see, just wait and it's connected successfully. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you later.